Hey home cooks, welcome back to Gregcipes. Today I'm making chicken marsala. This is a classic chicken dish with a pretty basic pan sauce and I'm going to show you how to do it. The first thing I'm going to do is chop up a shallot. Next I'm going to brush the dirt off of some mushrooms and slice those up. I'm also going to chiffonade some fresh sage. Next I'm going to cut a chicken breast in half butterfly style and season both sides of each slice. Then I'm going to coat each slice in flour. Now we're going to get cooking. I'm going to add some olive oil and butter to a hot pan. Next I'm going to add the chicken to the pan and try to get a nice brown crust on both sides and let it cook fully. Once the chicken is cooked, I'm going to go ahead and take it out of the pan. Now to the pan I'm going to add my shallots and mushrooms and let those cook for just a little bit. Once the mushrooms and onions have had a chance to cook a little bit, I'm going to deglaze the pan with the key ingredient Marsala wine. After adding the wine, I'm also going to add the sage and also a sprig of thyme. We're going to reduce the wine until it has the consistency of like a syrup, and then I'm going to add about the same amount of chicken stock. Now we're going to let the sauce reduce again and get a little thicker. Once the sauce has a good consistency, season with a little bit of salt and pepper. Remember to take out the thyme stems, you wouldn't really want to bite into that. We're going to add in some butter. Next we're going to add the chicken back into the sauce and let it braise for just a little bit. Now we can plate the chicken and pour the sauce right over it. There you have it, chicken marsala. As always, let's take a bite. The chicken has a nice crust on it. The components of that sauce just add a really rich, deep flavor. I really hope you try it for yourself and enjoy. If you enjoyed this video, remember to subscribe for a new Gregcipes every Tuesday. This is a classic chicken. It was chop up a chop up a Next I'm gonna brush the God, I can't say things with SH in them. Add some fresh sage. Fresh sage. Done.